Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Toyota Tacoma V6. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 153,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and power windows.